Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial on how to uninstall or remove the previous version of Windows after upgrading to Windows 11 from Windows 10. Now sometimes what happens is when you upgrade from a previous version of Windows, Windows keeps the old version of Windows on your computer. Now what you basically can see here is my C drive. Out of the 118 gigs, which my hard drive is only 128 gigs, I've got 9.74 gig left, which is redlining me. So what we usually do is go to here and just delete it, but what you can do is do a cleaner version of removing that folder. Now what you can do is go to your start or search and and type in storage, and it will take you to this page or screen, and it may take a while to load because it's picking up all the files and all that, so give it a minute and it'll give you what you've got there. Now what I'm going to do is get rid of what's recommended here. So here it says cleanup recommendations, over 5 gigs of storage available. So I'm going to click on this and then click that and then go see advanced options. Clean up will also remove system files that are not in use. So we're going to do this, advanced options, and we're happy with that. We'll have a look at this as well. That seems to be okay. So we'll click back, and we've got all that, and we'll click remove. Again, it's asking remove files, the selected files and their data will be permanently deleted. So if you're not sure about removing the previous version of Windows, don't do this. Maybe you want to roll back, but if you don't want to roll back and you're happy with using Windows 11, hit continue. So okay. This may take a little bit of time and go through a few different stages here. It's purging previous Windows installations. You can see now that it is purging the Windows Update cleanup. So let's move to the next stage. It finished all that. So now we're done. The DirectX shader cache is 65 kilobytes, so we're going to leave that alone. Not worried about that. So that's it. Now how we can check if that has taken place. So I'll close that. There you go. You can see I'm back to under 30 gigs, but that's expected. I've got a small hard drive of 128 gigs, so this is what I see. I'm in the blue. I'm happy, and that's how you remove that. Now let's have a look and see this. We've only got the one Windows folder, so if I wanted to roll back, I don't think I can after that, but that's okay for me. Thank you for watching.